Ya.
And today we finally got the new governor of Jakarta who will be with us now and to lead Jakarta for the next 5 years. So ladies and gentlemen, on today's talk show we are going to talk about the most wanted program, that is the Smart Card, that is initiated by the current governor of Jakarta, Mr. Joko Widodo. So ladies and gentlemen, but before we welcome our speakers and having a talk about this kind of program, we are going to watch to see the brief information of the program. So take a look the brief information of the Smart Card on this video.
Saya Mubar di Jakarta Utara, di Jakarta Timur, di Jakarta Barat. Banyak anak-anak yang putus sekolah di SD, di SMP, di SMA. Banyak sekali. Kalau dan bilang sekolah di Jakarta gratis, tapi faktanya kalau yang tidak sekolah, yang drop out, itulah yang perlu dicarikan solusi. Kami mau menyiapkan kartu Jakarta Pintar yang penting. Dengan kartu ini nanti diberikan kepada siswa. Siswa diberikan berapa? Satu, buku dan biaya-biaya di sini. Sehingga anak kita bisa sekolah, bisa pintar-pintar, dan tidak terlalu rumit-rumit dengan urusan birokrasi. Saya kira ini yang diperlukan. Satu, Jakarta Pintar. Anak-anak kita harus sekolah, semua.
Well, that's the brief information of the program. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, just keep it for a while because I'll give you the time to ask directly to the speakers and get the prize. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our speakers, the new governor of Jakarta, Mr. Joko Widodo. And please welcome the Minister of Education, Mrs. Bedi. And please welcome the representative of the parents, Mrs. Rizky. So ladies and gentlemen, Joko Widodo, known as Jokowi, is a politician that is previously served as the mayor of Surakarta, and he was nominated by his party, Indonesian Democratic Party, to run in the Jakarta election 2012, and being selected as the new governor after the second round that defeated the incumbent governor, Mr. Fauzi Bowo. And while Mr. Fediandini is the Minister of Education, Mrs. Fediandini, is the Minister of Education and Culture Department. She has finished her PhD at University Science and Technique in French, and she previously served as the Minister of Information and Communication in 2007 and the Minister of National Education in 2009, and being the Minister of Education and Culture in 2011. So, Mr. Jokowi, congratulations anyway.
Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Jokowi, I heard that the election was very tight, so finally you got the chance.
Well, absolutely, it's happy, thrilled, enthusiastic, all the positive spirits comes together in our feeling right now in my feeling.
Okay, so Mr. Jokowi, I also your campaign was also remain unique, just like making the comedian video, uploading into YouTube, and become the new the trending topic in the social media. So is it also your strategy to win the election?
Yeah, absolutely. I have to say that it's one of my political strategy. You know that if previously we keep concerning the older generation, now it's time for us to move forward to the young generation. Because, however, we cannot deny they have a right to vote, and the numbers of teenagers remain high in Jakarta. So I have to get self-improvement to the teenager, and one of the factor is by social media.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Jokowi, one of your program is providing the smart card for the students across Jakarta, isn't it? Okay. So, what is actually the aim of the program?
As you can see from the video, if everyone talk about the education of Jakarta is free from elementary and senior high school, well, in fact, it isn't. Some of them are still neglecting from school. Why? Because they do not only need the tuition fee. How do they survive with the uniforms, books, stationery? They also need this. And by providing this smart card, it absolutely encourages them to help to promote their educational background, which means there's no other reason for not attending school.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Jokowi, could you please tell us the concept of the smart card itself?
Okay, I'll familiarize yourself with the smart card that our system has made. It is basically like the ATM, automatic teller machine, that we will fill by the numbers of rupiah, 240. It's quite big number, yeah. Every month we pay to the student, so the student have the card. Every time they need the uniform from the school, the books, they can buy it with their smart card, and the number is limited, yeah, 240, and I guess it's enough for every individual.
So, how's the smart card itself work?
Yeah, it works because we will socialize to every single senior high school. Yeah, we focus on senior high school first because based on the research that the school needs is very expensive when they reach the senior high school level. And then, yeah, we will provide it every single senior high school, both public and private. So we will make it fair.
Okay, so Mr. Jokowi, I heard that this kind of smart card can also cover the university level. So is it true?
Well, it's still our consideration, but we will come to it because nowadays, yeah, we keep on focusing that most people right now are at least graduate from senior high school. So that's what our concern. The university level is also important, but later we'll consider about that later. Probably for the next 3 years or 4 years.
Okay, thank you. So, Mrs. Baby, listening to what Mr. Jokowi said, so what do you think about this program as the Minister of Education?
Okay, this Smart Card program, I think it is a really good program for facing the educational problem on a national scale. And then, as we know, DKI Jakarta has spent 10 billion rupiah in APBD and for the educational issues, and then it is twice more than Surabaya, who has a lower school dropout students in their city, and then hopefully they will spread to all over the students in Jakarta, South Jakarta, West Jakarta, East Jakarta, and then all over Jakarta.
So, do you think that this program helps the education struggle in Indonesia?
Of course. In fact, we can say that it is implementation of this program to have a better education for our children, because the better education for young generation, a better nation we can be in the future.
Okay, we hope so. So, Mrs. Baby and Mr. Jokowi, now we also have the beneficiary of the program here, Mrs. Rizky, who has 3 children, yeah, who are still in the school year. And Mrs. Rizky, after hearing the presentation and the call from the Mr. Jokowi and the minister, what do you think about this program? How do you feel?
Well, me as a mom who has a husband that's done really well in economic level, so exciting and very welcome with this program. Yeah, my children can go to school free without any foundation fee, especially the fee every month. Yeah, and I'm so thankful for this gift to Mr. Jokowi.
Oh, okay. So, Mrs. Rizky, what is actually the problem that you are dealing with the education in Jakarta before this kind of program established?
As I said before, my husband doesn't get enough to, my husband's salary doesn't enough to fulfill our daily needs and my children's education. And I know exactly, my children's education is really important for their future, and I feel sad when they ask me some money to buy school stuff like stationery and books and something like that. And it is so hard for me. And as we know that the education fee is more getting higher and higher. And if I imagine that, yeah, it makes me headache.
Okay, so...
But before that, yeah, I would like to know something that this smart card will be launched for the first time in November 26th on Monday. So make sure you were there at, around my governor. Yeah. So you can ask for another friend of yours.
Okay, so Mrs. Rizky, the last question, what is your expectations for this kind of program?
Yeah, I hope Mr. Jokowi will establish the system until the university level, and then, or maybe Pemda could extending the number of scholarships and make it easier to the children who are really needs and eligible to get the scholarships.
Oh, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, and also viewers at home, that was our talk about the smart card from our speakers, and now I'll open the pop-up quiz. So, we'll provide 500,000 for those who call and answer the questions from the speakers. And it's easy, just pick up your phone and dial to 3074-2300. So, remember the 500,000 will be yours on today's quiz. So, let's
Listen for the call.
Hello? Hello? Okay, still waiting. Hello?
Halo,
Hello? Okay, Jakarta Avenue.
boleh information?
Okay, who's speaking?
I'm Ellie from Condes.
Okay, Mrs. Ellie, after watching this kind of talk show, what do you think about this program?
Well, I'm happy knowing this program. It's really beneficial for students and parents as well, and especially for the family. I hope this program will cover until the university level.
Okay, thank you. So, are you ready for the question?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. So, please, Mr. Jokowi, ask the question.
Okay, Mrs. Ellie from Conde. Yeah, I'm going to give you a question. This is a question. Yeah. When will I launch the smart card for the first time?
Next week, November 26th. Am I right?
Yeah, absolutely right.
Okay, Mrs. Ellie. 500,000 rupiah, and don't end the call because our committee will ask your personal identity. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of our talk show today. Don't forget to always watch your favorite talk show, Jakarta